Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mitsubishi Outlander side mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. It's also a good idea to place some painter's tape around the mirror base to protect your car's finish during the process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the small triangular trim piece located on the inside of your door, near where the mirror attaches. Next, you'll typically find 2 or 3 screws securing the interior door panel. Remove these. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions, usually a single plug. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new side mirror assembly onto the door, ensuring the mounting studs align perfectly with the holes. Use your 10mm socket to secure the new mirror with the 3 nuts, tightening them firmly but without over-torquing. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror's plug. For our final steps, let's put everything back together and test. Reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place, and then secure the small triangular trim piece. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and thoroughly test all functions of your new mirror, including power adjustments and any heating elements. Confirm it's stable, aligned correctly, and operating perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.